Whatever you are getting a Manchester United fan this Christmas season, make sure there's an ibuprofen in that Tampa Park because they need it as much as possible right now. And for you being a Manchester United fan, I just have one word for you. No reason I'm too much. You know, these things happen. You don't have to win everything. But the truth is the truth. That's why you're not reasoning it too badly. This Manchester United team are not a good side. And this coach will not perform miracle. And this loss today is on the coach too. Because you don't have someone that is winning the ball for you in the middle of the park. You are removing Ugarte. I don't understand. You are playing 3 defensive players and you are conceding 7 goals in the last 2 games. Now he has managed 9 games as a Manchester United manager, win 4, lose 4, and just drawing 1. Now our eyes are on him. But before the next match, Christmas is coming. As a Manchester United fan, eat chicken, take your drugs very well, sleep, rest, and don't reason out. Thank you.